Today, I introduce RTBT, an art piece beyond ordinary limits. It's visual wonder that sparks human connections, change our interaction with art, and inspires creativity. RTBT's heart, like an advanced IKEA plug-in system, is designed to relatively easy set up, take down, and move, showing its adaptability. Within the heart, a space like a cathedral pulses with LEDs. When visitors touch a pad, their heartbeats sync with the lights and the ambiance sound, personalizing the entire experience. This setup encourages both personal thoughts and shared experiences. The heart isn't just for pumping blood. It's a center of energy. Beyond just physical, it shows that our true desires can become real, highlighting the difference between the brain's logic and the heart's natural creativity. Brain, logic solutions from acquired knowledge, heart, inspired creation from inner wisdom. Do you see the potential unfolding? Putting the heart first fosters life and evolution. Science, especially from the Heart Math Institute, shows that the heart's electromagnetic field outpowers the brain's, affecting us and the world around us. This blends logic with intuition, letting the heart shape our reality. In this light and sound atmosphere of RTBT, a voice asks questions that awakens your dreams. What is your deepest dream? What is your unique purpose on this planet? What would you like to contribute to a better world? And what do you need to make it happen? This moment invites reflection and sharing, creating connections beyond the installation.